Give her a little taste. These old Briggs are hard to get going. Come on, baby.
Desert Dust Bowl song.
Today, the battle to get stuff moved out of here continues with Goldie Hawn. I'm hanging the deck back on it, and it's just as much of a fight as it was taking it off, but I've come up with a little trick that I'm going to share with you. Alrighty, so kind of in a nutshell how this works. When you move the lever to engage the blades, it actually works on this linkage here, and it just swings the whole deck forward to tighten it up against the belt. It's very rudimentary, but these springs are nasty to get down on that pin. So what I've done, I've already done one. Just got a rope here. I'm gonna clip it on there and run it to the other side of the deck. And then we can hopefully actually get this thing into place. There. Alright, there's really nothing very fun about this. I tried initially to wrap it around the blade here and use it, but as it tightened up I couldn't get to the other side of the blade and it would just pop off of here, so that didn't work as well as I'd hoped, so I'm just using manpower, I guess. Well, I've kind of routed that the wrong way. This one wants to twist. Let me pull it past. Okay. Maybe now that we've got it this far. Come on. You got a lot. Come on, baby. Ay, 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 ay. Aha. There we go. Okay, it's in there. Ha ha ha. It's leaking fuel and oil now, I think, from being tipped over. So it's time to get this show on the road. Okay. A little stiff. There we go. To engage the cutting, just pulls it against the belt. I mean, too funny. All right, well, she's kind of hasn't been this put together in quite a while, so I'm going to put the seat on and take it outside and give it a wash. I made this throttle knob a long time ago out of some JB Weld putty, and I guess it's as good a time as any to install it. So I'm going to make a little ball here. It'll fit around the end because it's got little notches that'll sort of help to secure it, I guess. I'm going to put a little ball in the end of this between the two, hopefully. It'll kind of squish out when I stick it on and eventually become a permanent fixture. That's my theory. Is this going to work? I have no idea. Guess we wait and find out. I don't think it came through on the video, my surprise, the way Goldie Hawn here took off. I kind of thought it might move, but I really didn't think it would. Anyway, it cleaned up pretty nicely, and it's ready to move on to a new home. I think I've given somebody a pretty good start on a pretty fun, decent project, so I'm pretty satisfied with that. And to celebrate that and to celebrate 1 million views on the F100 short, I think it's time to crack a beer. This one's from Leduc Brewing Company. Leduc is a bit south of Edmonton, most famous for, you know, a lot of the oil businesses are there, and Leduc #1, one of the first sites to hit oil in Alberta, was located there. This is the Vienna of the Prairies Amber Lager, coming in at 5.2%. The city famous for beer, it says. Well, I think it's more famous for oil, but the two kind of go hand in hand, don't they? This is compliments of my buddy Dan. Payment for fixing his generator. I don't know what I did, but thanks, Dan. Cheers. Ooh, that's good. As you can see behind me, the pile is significantly smaller now. Goldie Hawn went to a new owner today, young guy named Julian, and he took it home and was driving it around, and wouldn't you know, the transmission kind of gave up the ghost, I guess. I feel pretty bad, you know, but it was old, and probably that's the most it's been driven in who knows how many years. So, I mean, he understands, and he's got, that guy's got some ideas for it, and he's got the skills and the capability and the imagination to make it happen. It went to the right owner, for sure. So, I'm going to put his link right up there for his Instagram. I did suggest maybe he start a YouTube channel. Whether he'll take me up on that or not, I don't know. It's up to him. But keep an eye on him, because he's going to have some real fun with that machine. I am going to just take a quick go at a machine that's been out in the shed over there. The I don't know, it was supposed to be a greenhouse, but it's coming down bit by bit as I take it apart. This thing's been in there way before Shopcat ever hit YouTube, and it is this right here. It's a Craftsman Eager 1 lawnmower. I can't even remember. I picked it up somewhere, and does it run? I have no idea.